Hi guys, today I am going to be doing a slime challenge, making a bubble, and my slime is pretty fluffy and big. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's do this. Let's do this. Gosh, that's so hard to get out, guys. Look how big my slime is. Look how big my slime is according to this real dart. It's a real dart, and it goes to a gun. Now, let's go give this back to my daddy. Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's get started. First, let me take my shoes off. They're hurting my feet. Some got stuck to my shirt, guys. It's fine. I'll wash it tonight. Or somebody will. First, let's just play with it. Let's make it big, the slime. Then, whoa. Ugh. First, let's get the slime on the table. Then we get the bowl, we turn it over, and we put the bowl on the slime, and we push it down, and then we pull it back up. See, it's a magic trick. It's not coming up. Woo! I knew it would work. Whoa. My slime is very professional. I hope a lot of people subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Okay, today guys, we are going to be doing the slime contest by making a bubble. And I don't know why I said bubble. But we are making a bubble. Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! Ooh. Look at this, guys. It went down. Dang it. I wish I could make a bigger bubble. Three, 2, 1. Whoa! That was a big one. But it popped. Whoa, look at this bubble. Pop. Three, 2, 1. I just love slime. I don't have any school, So that's why I just play with my son. Sweetie, it's time to get ready for school. Mom, I'm not even in school. Quit saying that. I just got you a school. You're going to Corinth Elementary. Oh, come on. Mama, Oh, come on, Mom. I'm in high school. Can't you understand that? I'm in high school. Yes, I can understand that. But you need to learn history. Mom, history is easy. Fine. You're not in school. I was just kidding. Get out of my video! Thank you. Guys, my mom is annoying. Get out of here! Guys, my mom is really annoying.
I will get you!
Ah! Ow! Get out of my video, stupid brother. Ow! Quit. Do you know that you didn't even get that on me?
I know.
I'm telling Greg.
You hear her calling me. So more than likely you're gonna get a whooping from that list.
Guys, I'll be right back with y'all.